Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all a recipe for an easy soya or fried soya. This one is packed with a lot of flavor and you're not going to know it's soya because it tastes like chicken. So let me show you guys how easy this is to put together. So guys, to make this, I'm starting with I soaked my soya chunks overnight, so I washed it out, put it in here, and I'm adding in a little bit of salt, and we're going to put this up to boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been sitting in this water simmering for about 10 minutes. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to place it into this bowl. I just want it to cool down slightly where I can handle it and squeeze out any additional water that's in here. Okay guys, so here I have my soya chunks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding flavors to this. So I'm going to go in with some Soya adobo all-purpose seasoning. You guys know I love to use that. I'm going in with some Badia complete seasoning. I'm going to add in a little bit of Annatto or uku powder. In goes some paprika. Now I'm seasoning this with what I have on hand, guys. Use what you have in your pantry to season this or make it whatever flavor you would like. I'm going to go in with some hot chili powder and I'm going to go in with some green seasoning and go with some freshly cracked black pepper or whatever black pepper you have on hand, and a little bit of salt, and I'm using my Himalayan pink salt because it's not as salty as regular sea salt. I'm going to give this a mix. Now if you wanted to add in some minced garlic in here you can, but my green seasoning already has garlic in it. So guys, I have some jerk seasoning on hand. I'm going to add a little bit just to give it a little jerk flavor. I don't want to add too much, and I'm just gonna mix that in. If you didn't have jerk seasoning, of course you don't have to go get jerk seasoning. This would work great without it. This is just to give it that a different taste from the regular stuff that we always eat. Okay, so let's leave this to marinate for about 15 minutes and then we'll move on. You can leave it to marinate longer if you like, of course. Okay guys, now it's time to fry this. I'm using a little bit of oil. We're not going to be deep frying this at all. Okay guys, so I have my vegetable oil in there, but I'm also going to go in with some chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. This is just going to give it that spicy taste. If you're making this for your kids, do not use this. It might be a little too spicy for them. So I'm going to allow that to come up to temperature and then we'll put in our soya pieces. Okay guys, let's test one and see if the oil is hot. Okay, yes. So I'm going to put in the others. And now we're just going to let this fry in that oil. You're looking to get a nice brown color on all sides if possible. And I do have my heat on a medium for this. So we're just gonna let that fry in there until one side is brown, then we'll turn it and allow the other side to brown. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a turn because I see that it's getting crusty on one side. I want the other side to get a nice color. This really is not going to take that long because remember we boiled the soya, so that's cooked. We just need this to get crusty and then this would be finished. So like about 2 more minutes on the other side and then it will be done. So guys, just tasted this. It has a nice crunch to the outside. Let me try to see if I bite into one, if you all can hear it, right? Because I don't know, being this small, I don't know if you'll hear it. Guys, this tastes like chicken nuggets. And the reason why you can't use a lot of oil is because that soya is going to soak up that oil. So I just paired this with a simple pepper sauce with ketchup. You can add some green seasoning in here if you want and some soy sauce. But guys, all of the flavor is in this. So I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Thank you all for requesting it. I've been doing a lot of recipes to try to keep you all occupied during this quarantine time. Make sure if you don't have the ingredients for a recipe, message me and ask me if you can substitute or what you can substitute it with, or if you can omit it. But I don't want you guys going out to shop just to buy ingredients to do my recipes. Just watch the videos, and then when everything is over, feel free to make it then. So guys, stay safe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Remember to share it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.